Hello children. In our previous video, we have learned about different characteristics of living organisms and what are life processes we have learned. So today, we will start one of the life processes, which is nutrition. Children, you must have seen a car running. And how it runs? When we put petrol, diesel or CNG in it. And a fan, how it works? With the help of electrical energy. So everything requires energy to work. And same requirement is of living organisms also. Like living organisms also require energy. And how we get energy? We get energy from food. So food is the basic requirement of living organisms because it gives us energy, and energy is needed to maintain the state of order of the body. So children, what is nutrition? It is a process by which living beings obtain food and utilizes it to get energy, building and repairing of their tissues. So it is the process which is common in all the living organisms. See, basic requirement of food is common in all the organisms, but it is fulfilled in different ways. So children, organisms show two basic modes of nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition and second is heterotrophic nutrition. So auto means self and troph means synthesize. So in autotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms, they synthesize their own food with the help of simple inorganic substances. And what are the simple inorganic substances? Like carbon dioxide, water, and with the help of sunlight. And they have a green pigment in them, which is chlorophyll. So in autotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms, they make their food with the help of simple inorganic substances. And what are the organisms which prepare their own food? They are plants and some bacteria with the help of these inorganic substances. So children, autotrophs are the organisms which prepare their own food. They harness solar energy, and these are green plants and some bacteria. They have a green pigment in them which is called chlorophyll. So they are the producers of the ecosystem because they harness solar energy. That is why they are called photoautotrophs. What? Photoautotrophs. And what is the chemical equation of photosynthesis? So first, in brief, I would like to tell you about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants prepare their food with the help of simple inorganic things like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, and a green pigment is present in them which is chlorophyll, and they prepare their food. And what is their food? Glucose, C6H12O6 and 6O2. It is the product of photosynthesis, and 6H2O. So this is chemical equation of photosynthesis. And because green plants, they harness solar energy, that is why they are called photoautotrophs. Is it clear to you? So children, photosynthesis, the process of making food by plants. And you know, it is not a single step process. It involves these steps. And what are these steps? Let's study. So first step is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, because we know that green plants, they trap solar energy with the help of chlorophyll. So first step is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. And what is the second step of it? Conversion of this light energy to chemical energy, and this causes splitting of water molecules. Means plants, they absorb energy, solar energy. And this energy causes splitting of water molecules. And splitting of water molecules, it is also called photolysis of water. What beta? Photolysis of water. And after this, third step, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, glucose. Means the last step is when plant convert this carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. So these steps are involved in photosynthesis, and the food prepared by plants, which is glucose, a carbohydrate, the excess of food is stored in the form of starch in plants. And you know children, in plants the excess of food is stored in the form of starch, and in animals this food is stored in the form of glycogen. Clear? In the form of glycogen.